Hello all, I am Hitarth and today from Jetpack Time and today I have made the water harvesting system machine. This system is very nice. So let me explain you how this whole system works. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, ding. Before that, please like and subscribe this channel as as this channel puts a lot of videos on MI truck builder. So let us start again. So this what when rain comes, the water comes over here. This is the keternal pipe from which the water passes and goes into this. Then, after going into that, inside is the water tank. When we move, someone should move this. Then what happens is, inside this, all the clean water comes over here from these pipes, from both the sides, from here and here, and goes up to these orange things. Then it goes from this to the water harvest tank. And if that is dirty water, then what will happen? We will fall sick, or if it doesn't do, the water will get wasted. So what will happen is, from these two small holes, two small holes, the water will go downwards over here, and now the water will travel from here. This is the artery from which it will the water will pass, and over here the water is cleaned, and now it is in the tank. So there is no water wastage. Now if there is a little bit of water coming over, escaping from these holes and coming over here, what will happen is, this is the powerfuler. So after escaping from these two holes, the water, this has a lot of power, so it will push the water over here. So from these tiny holes, the water will again be stored in the tank. And what happens if we want the water? So see, as I told you, this is the artery. So this is the kamalam. This one. So from here the water will come back, and then it will rise up. From that it will go in these two taps. Then when we on it, that time this will happen and the water will come out, so that we can use it. This is the water. When we move this, what will happen is, as I told you, that from here the water comes means come out. So from here the signal passes over here that there is something inside it. So this automatically moves. Okay. So this gives a signal over here that something very big thing, very big trash, very big, what do you call it? This something garbage has stuck inside it, and so it can't move. This message passes inside this box. So then this goes over here, and these two orange things are there. No, from that a ping, me, like that alarm happens, so that we know that is something. There is some problem in it, or there's something stuck in it. This is the whole mechanism of this. Now I'll show you the whole thing again. Okay, so have a good day. Bye bye. And please like and subscribe this channel. Okay. So this is made from meat rock builder also. And do you know a fun fact about this? That this is that when this goes in cleaning, there's some extra soap or some thing so that the water becomes clean, and we don't need to take soap if we want to wash. There are different modes need to select. The modes are selected from here. Okay, so have a great day. Bye bye.